Hi, my name is Rachel Clayman, and I am here to tell you about some big changes we've made to our commercial permits product. Rather than requiring that a business apply for and manage dozens of individual permits, this feature gives them the power to be able to manage those permits on behalf of their employees in bulk. So let me show you what that experience looks like. This would be the City Administrator Portal back office view. They can create different business entities. Here we've termed them as groups. So let me click into my test group. Groups can be assigned one or more permit configurations. A configuration is simply a definition of permits that business is authorized to purchase. You can define the type, the cycle, where they're allowed to be, the cost. You can see how many permits that business has been allotted, the amount that they have actually purchased and assigned. You can see information about their renewal payment information, their payment history, and other internal notes that you can leave for your team. Finally, you're able to add a business administrator, and this is what gives that business access to do the administrative work themselves in CMR Pay in terms of the payment management and assignment of these permits. So let me take you to what that experience looks like. Once an administrator has been added to a business, they can use their familiar CMR Pay login, but they would have a new tile here that prompts them to select the group that they have been authorized to manage. From here, they can see the configurations that they have access to. They can purchase additional permits on a configuration if desired. They can also view and assign those permits. Assigning a permit is as simple as it sounds. It's easy to fill out the fields. These are all configurable by the city directly. The administrator also has the ability to reassign a permit in the event that they have an employee leave or a new employee start. They can manage all of that directly themselves without having to involve either city staff or their employees to take any action. Overall, this just gives businesses a really centralized way to manage their payment, their auto renew if they choose to do so, the quantity of permits that they want to have purchased for their business, and the assignment out without having to bother their cities or their employees to be able to do those tasks on their behalf.